Imagine enjoying a delicious meal without the stress of cleanup. The 2026 Guide to Dishwasher Safe Cookware is here to change that. Choosing the right cookware can transform your kitchen experience. Why is dishwasher safe cookware essential? It simplifies cleanup, giving you back valuable time. High-quality materials ensure that your cookware stands up to both searing heat on the stove and the rigors of a dishwasher cycle. What should you look for? First, tough materials like stainless steel or hard anodized aluminum guarantee durability. Then, heat resilience is crucial. Pans should withstand oven temperatures of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Lastly, strong riveted handles will ensure longevity. Our top picks include the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Set, perfect for daily cooking. The Cuisinart Multiclad Pro is ideal for those seeking professional results, while Rachel Ray Cucina offers style on a budget. To prolong your cookware's life, give them space in the dishwasher, avoid harsh detergents, and let them cool before cleaning. Invest in dishwasher-safe cookware for a clean kitchen and great meals. Explore the full range of vetted sets available online today.